In this video, we listed the 5 best wheelbarrows that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. AMES Garden Cart. The AMES Garden Cart, featuring dimensions of 45 inches in depth, 21.5 inches in width, and 30 inches in height, with a 4 cubic foot capacity. It weighs 18 pounds and includes one shelf, 4 wheels, swivel casters, and a weight limit of 22 pounds. This durable and easy-to-use cart is targeted at unisex adults and requires no assembly. Its UPC is 682428186063 and its ASIN is B0009J796U. The manufacturer is the AMES Companies Incorporated, and the model number is 2463875. Number 2. Gorilla Carts Poly Cart. The Gorilla Carts utility cart combines durability and convenience with its dimensions measuring 47.2 inches in depth, 25.3 inches in width, and 25.6 inches in height. Made from a blend of plastic and metal, it features a distinctive black and yellow color scheme. Its standout features include a foldable design for easy storage, sturdy construction suitable for a 300-pound capacity, and a rust-resistant poly tub for hassle-free cleaning. Designed for maneuverability, it incorporates a unique two-wheel system for effortless dumping and stable towing, making it ideal for various hauling tasks. Backed by a 1-year warranty, it promises years of reliable performance and innovation for both small and large projects alike. Number 3. Polar Trailer 8376 Utility Cart. The Polar Trailer boasts dimensions of 65 inches in depth, 29 inches in width, and 29 inches in height, featuring a robust construction primarily made of high-impact polyethylene, PE, and rubber components. Its durable polyethylene tub ensures resilience against rust and facilitates easy cleaning. With a hefty 400 pounds, working load capacity and solid rubber 20-inch spoked wheels that are puncture-proof, this trailer offers dependable performance for heavy-duty tasks. It provides a spacious 10 cubic foot hauling capacity and can be assembled in just 10 minutes, making it a practical choice for various hauling needs. Number 4. Worx WG050 Garden Cart. The Worx 8-in-1 Aero Cart Wheelbarrow is a versatile outdoor tool designed to handle heavy-duty tasks with ease. Made from metal and featuring an eye-catching combination of orange, black, and silver colors, it weighs 40.8 pounds. Engineered for efficiency, it utilizes turbo lift technology to make lifting 200 pounds feel as light as 17 pounds, promoting balance and ease of use. Capable of managing loads up to 300 pounds, it transforms traditionally labor-intensive tasks into manageable solo projects, functioning as an 8-in-1 wheelbarrow, hand cart, and dolly. Its smart two-wheel design ensures stability and smooth maneuverability, enhancing safety and productivity in various yard and garden applications. Number 5. Simplay 3 Easy Garden. The Simplay 3 Garden Cart offers robust construction with dimensions of 46.25 inches in depth, 31.25 inches in width, and 23 inches in height, made from durable plastic in a green color. It features double wall construction that ensures it withstands heavy loads and outdoor conditions without rusting or denting, suitable for overwintering outdoors. This cart includes 2 large wheels for easy rolling, pivoting, and maneuvering, with a smooth handle for stable loading and unloading. It boasts an extra deep well capable of holding 4 cubic feet of material, with a flat floor to keep contents level. Additionally, it provides a bonus storage tray for organizing garden tools, drinks, plants, and more. Proudly made in the USA, Simplay 3 products come with customer service and support based in Ohio.